When an installation is complete, the supervisor should check the site installation documents to be sure that all the required tasks have been completed and completed in accordance with the required standards. The documents will require checklists to be completed where each part of the installation is listed and individually checked. Any deviations from the planned site installation must be documented and returned to the engineering department so the site documents can be updated. Installers must also be certain that the feeders and jumper cables are correctly marked with identification labels. The markings will have been specified by the engineering department. During the installation, installers will have taken apart cable drums, packing crates, boxes of components, polythene bags, rubber blocks and loads of packing materials. Cable offcuts and all rubbish must be cleared away from the installation site. The installation team must not burn any waste. Much of the packing and plastic cable components will give off poisonous fumes when burnt. Everything must be disposed of properly. Do not forget to tidy up inside the site buildings you have been using, including cabins, shelters, and even inside outdoor cabinets.